Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamu alaikum. Learn Tajweed the easy way. Lesson 25a. Words with standing fatha, standing kasra, and inverted dhamma. And these are the signs like a, e, and u. They are like alif mad, ya mad, and waw mad. So give double stretch for each. You know it already. Let's start with standing fatha. Repeat after me. Hada. هذا ذلك ذلك. So you don't say ذلك, it is the. It's just like alif mad. كذلك كذلك. Let's take the next one. آخرتي آخرتي. Repeat. آخرتي آخرتي آخرتي. طاغين. Watch here. طاغين. Repeat. طاغين طاغين طاغين. آمنوا آمنوا. آياتنا آياتنا. So there are three mad here. A, ya, na. All of them should be equal. You don't say ayatina. No, give equal stretch for all. That's the beauty. It's like, if you construct a house, all doors should be of equal heights. Otherwise, one door is taller, another door is smaller, doesn't look nice. So repeat again. Ayatina ayatina ayati ayati. Let's take examples for standing kasra now. Bihi bihi. Ilafi ilafi. Hadihi hadihi. Let's take inverted dhamma, and for Urdu people they call ulta pesh. Lahu lahu. Dawood Dawood. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.